Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you a very quick and quite easy makeup look. I took inspiration from a very beautiful makeup look from Chanel for this fall next to come, and this is the image. So this look is quite easy to make, but you have to be quite careful to do the final wing of your eyeliner. For this reason I used from Lancome Grandiose eyeliner that is very thin. Also use this new palette from Dior. There is a video about this, the beautiful new tutu. And for my lips I use a mix of these two beautiful lipstick. This is Enigmatic from Dior and this is Velvet Midnight from beautiful Lisa Eldridge. So I know many are not a huge fan of the pink eyeshadow from Chanel for next fall, so I decided to recreate this look by Chanel using the product I already have. I think it's a good exercise for makeup lovers not to continue to spend a lot of money about new makeup that I know it's absolutely beautiful, but sometimes we have to practice also a little bit and appreciate more the makeup we already own. So I think it's a good idea also to have a look at the beautiful look that designers create and try to create something with some pieces we already have. I wanted to create this look because I know there are many Chanel lovers, and I think it was a very beautiful look that not so many people maybe discovered. If you go on a Chanel beauty page on Instagram feed, there is this beautiful look, so you can create something different from the berry pink tones for next fall. The shade that's been used in this look is Attraction. That is a very beautiful lipstick shade that's been launched with this new collection. So if you want to have a look, there is the link below to Chanel website where you can discover this beautiful shade. It's the deepest shade of the new collection. Obviously my shade is a little bit different, but there is the second part of the video where I create my makeup, and I used also a sample of Dior Backstage foundation. I'm testing with very hot temperature because in Italy it's very hot even if it's the end of August. So if you love this look, please follow the second part of the video. Backstage Universal Primer, you see a rosy white cream. I had a bad breakout here using mask. Now it's fading away. Face and body Dior Backstage. There are so many shades of this foundation. So the shade is quite light, but it's got this peachy undertones. That's great if you have fair skin but you got olive undertones. So if more coverage is needed, like this area where I had a breakout, I have to tap like this. I think primer helps also to have a good result with this kind of foundation. A little bit of concealer. This is Dermablend. So now let's take a little bit of Le Beige highlighter. This is the shade Pearly Glow. My finger, I put a little bit here. I take a little bit of powder. This is Stay Matte from Rimmel #1. This powder is cheap and very good. So if you're looking for a mattifying powder and don't wanna spend too much, this powder is fantastic. So apply just in my T-zone. Now let's move to eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use again Tutu palette. I wanna take this very light pink shade with my finger. And then I press it with the sponge. Light brown shade. And I gently contour here. I want to do something very soft because now I'm gonna take my eyeliner, very thin eyeliner, and I bend it a little bit like this. I'm gonna do a very thin line. So I've corrected the flick a little bit here and here to make it more subtle. You can do it with a Q-tips like this and blending a little bit of I used highlighter in this case, but you should use foundation, for example. And then let's move to lipstick. I'm gonna use Velvet Midnight by ELDRIDGE. It is the deepest color of his beautiful collection. We are waiting for new products in October. I hope it will come soon. Directly from the bullet, and then I blend with my brush. Now I'm taking Enigmatic from Dior, that is more red, very deep, but more luminous, and I'm going over the more you put Velvet Midnight, the more it becomes obviously more violet. Instead, the more you put Enigmatic, the more it comes out a little bit more red undertone. So I go back to Tutu and I take my brush and I contour a little bit more, but it's like a shadow to open up my eye look. I don't wanna create a very strong eyeshadow look. And I have to warm up a little bit more using my Dior bronzer. You know, I'm loving this powder. It's in light flame and it's a very beautiful shade for pale skin. So I sculpt a little bit more than usual because I think this look needs more definition. Now I take number 71 in Alice by Chanel. It's about warmer red shade, so and that's my finished look. I hope this video could be helpful for you. If it's so, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me also on Instagram. See you soon. Bye!